So good morning students. So today again we are continuing the same topic, goodwill, treatment of goodwill in this admission by partner. Yesterday we have done in which the new partner brings his share of goodwill premium in cash. The treatment was bank account debited to premium for goodwill account and premium for goodwill account debited to distributed to the old partners, credited to the old partners. So premium for goodwill account debited to old partners capital account in the sacrificing ratio, or we also say that premium for goodwill account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. The goodwill brought by new partner is credited to old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Now we are doing new partner unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. New partner unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. So now let's take one question. Here first of all, when the journal entry is when the new partner is unable to bring his goodwill premium. Journal entry is here new partner's current account should be debited. New partner's current account debited to old partner's capital account in the sacrificing ratio. New partner's capital account, his share of goodwill should be debited. New partner's current account should be debited, his share of goodwill. So here new partner's current account. New partner's current account should be debited to sacrificing partner. Sacrificing partner. So this is his share of goodwill. This is his share of goodwill should be debited. The sacrificing partner should be created in the sacrificing ratio. So this is the treatment for the new partner unable to pay, unable to bring his goodwill premium. So new partner's current account should be debited. The amount will be his share of goodwill to sacrificing partner in the sacrificing ratio. So credited will be sacrificing partner. So now we will take one question in which A capital is 20,000 and B capital is 15,000 and C is admitted for 1/3 share. C brings capital 30,000. Old ratio of A and B is 3:2. C is unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 15,000. So 15,000 is the goodwill of the firm. And C's share of goodwill is 1/3 of 15,000, that will come 5,000. But C is unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. And capital of A and B is 20,000. Capital of A is 20,000 and capital of B is 15,000. C is admitted for 1/3 share. Here also the old ratio of A and B is 3:2. The old ratio is not disturbed. C is unable to bring his goodwill premium. The value of the goodwill premium is 15,000. C brings capital rupees 30,000 on admission, but C is unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. Now let's solve this one. You have to pass a journal entry and capital account of A and B, you have to prepare it. So first of all, journal entry. In the books of ABC, capital brought by bank account debited to C's capital account. Capital brought by C. This is the first entry, that C brings capital on admission, bank account debited to C's capital account, and C is unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. What is share of how much? Total value of the goodwill is 15,000 and C's share is 1/3. So 15,000 the value of goodwill, C's share of goodwill. If you see the C's share of goodwill, that is 15,000 into 1/3, that will come 5,000. And C is unable to bring. When C is unable to bring the goodwill premium, C's current account should be debited and A and B capital should be credited in their sacrificing ratio. Here sacrificing ratio is same as old ratio. So C's current account debited 5,000, A capital account 3,000 and to B capital account 2,000. So this is the entry. So C's share of goodwill premium unable to bring adjusted. Here see that how this entry is simple entry, that C is bringing capital, bank account debited to C's capital account. This is fixed. Every time you have to pass the entry when C new partner is coming with the capital, bank account or cash account debited to new partner's capital account. But this is the case where we have to remember the entry. Unable to bring his share of goodwill premium, new partner's current account debited. Here C is the new partner, C's current account debited to A capital account to be calculated in their sacrificing ratio. So this is the journal entry after the admission in the books of A, B and C. Now is asked the question to prepare the capital account also. Partners capital account. C is a new partner. C is a new partner. C is a new partner. A and B old partner. A and B old partner. So this is the debit side and credit side. By balance brought down. Capital of A. A capital is 20,000. Old capital and B capital is 15,000. C is nil. C is new partner. Now C brings capital, bank account debited to C capital. This is a ledger. The C we have tried by bank. Capital brought by C is 30,000. And C is unable to bring his share of goodwill premium. The entries C's current account debited to A's capital account, B's capital. A's capital and B's capital should be created by C's current account. It will not affect the C's capital account. It will be credited to the A and B current account. So equally A and B, old ratio of A and B. Old ratio of A and B is 3:2 So 3000 and 2000. The entry is C's current account debited to A's capital account credited 3000, B's capital account credited 2000. So this is how we pass the entry in the ledger in partner's capital account. C's current account debited to A's capital account credited, B's capital account credited. C's current account debited is 5000. C is unable to bring his share of the premium. C's current account should be debited by 5000 and A capital should be credited by 3000 and B's capital should be credited by 2000. So here total to balance CD 23,000 and here balance of capital is now 'So this is the partner's capital account. This is the balance brought down, opening capital of A and B. A capital is 20,000 and B capital is 15,000. Old capital of A and B balance brought down. C brings new capital. C brings capital on admission by bank account 30,000 and current goodwill unable to bring is C's current account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account credited by 3,000 and 2,000. So nothing, no entry in the debit side. So total of 23,000, balance of new capital of A is 23,000 and B's capital is 17,000 and C's capital is 30,000. So this is the new capital of the new firm now. And after the admission of C, the capital has been changed. A new capital is 23,000, B's new capital is 17,000 and C's capital is 30,000. So this is the partner's capital account. Let's calculate the new profit sharing ratio as it's given in the question that state the future profit sharing proportion of the partner. So here, since the old ratio of A and B is 3:2. C is admitting for 1/3 share. So what we have to do is 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 is left. This why we are doing 1 minus 1 by 3? So because if you see the old ratio of A is 3/5 plus B old ratio is 2/5. So 3/5 plus 2/5 is 1. That means old 1. That's why old ratio was 3:2. If you plus this 3:2 means 3/5, 2/5. 3/5 plus 2/5 is 1. So if you that means out of 1, inside this 1, 3/5 belongs to A and 2/5 belongs to B. Now out of 1, 2/3 is taken by 1/3 is taken by new partner C. 2/3 is left. 2/3 is left for A and B. Now 2/3 is left for A and B. So now A's new share will be 3/5 of 2/3 and B's new share is 2/5 of 2/3. So C is getting 1/3. So 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15. And 3 also we can make it 15 by multiplying by 5. So 5/15. So the new ratio is new ratio of A, B and C is 6:4:5. So that is given here. Is also 6:4:5 given here, the new ratio. So see the calculation here, how it is done. Old ratio of A and B is 3:2. So it is not disturbed, nothing is said about, only C's ratio is given, C's share is given. So 1 minus, what we will do in this case, 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3 left for A and B. One you have to take, one you have to assume. Why we are assuming? Because old ratio is 3:2. If we add 3/5 plus 2/5 is 1. So 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3 left for A and B. And A series 3/5, 3/5 is old, 3/5 of 2/3. 3/5 is the old. That is out of 3/5, 2/5. So 3/5 of 2/3 is for A, 2/5 of 2/3 is for B. C is coming for 1/3 share. So if you see C, 6/15. 3/2 is 6, 5/3 is 15. 2/2 is 4, 5/3 is 15. And C also we can make it, denominator of this A and B is 15, so we can make this 3 also 15 by multiplying by 5, 5/3 is 15. So now 6:4:5. So other denominators are same, so we can take the ratio 6:4:5 of new ratio of A and B. So in this way we can find the new ratio calculation. This is the calculation of new ratio of A, B and C.